Do you require information on roofing? Roofing. Nally Roofing is a locally owned and operated residential and commercial roofing contractor. Founded in 1992, Nally Roofing has been providing its customers in Northeast Metro Atlanta with the highest level of service and quality. Our goal is simple: treat each customer with honesty, integrity and respect, and charge a reasonable price. Our knowledge of the roofing industry, professionalism, reasonable pricing and use of quality products, sets our company apart from the others. We specialize in new residential roof installations, roof replacements and hail/storm damaged roofs. We offer a 7-year labor leak warranty on all new residential roofs, and all roofs are installed per the manufacturer's requirements so that you will receive the full manufacturer's warranty. Our knowledgeable and courteous staff is available to answer any questions that you might have about the roofing process. Nally Roofing is an Owens Corning TM preferred contractor, which means our installers are certified by Owens Corning TM. Installation by an Owens Corning certified installer makes your new roof eligible for Owens Corning TM extended warranties. Get in touch with our company as soon as possible for further information on roofing.